What if I told you that deep beneath the surface of our oceans, far beyond where sunlight can reach, there are creatures living in complete darkness that science still cannot fully explain? Think about it for a moment. Miles below the surface, where pressure is extreme, where no human can survive, something is moving. Shapes we don't recognize, bodies that glow in the dark, creatures that look like they don't belong on this planet at all. And the most terrifying part is, we have explored less than 10% of the entire ocean, which means almost everything down there is still unknown. So the real question is, what is actually hiding in the deep? From strange deep-sea creatures captured on rare underwater cameras, to mysterious sightings that have left scientists completely confused. This is a journey into the deepest parts of our oceans, a place where reality starts to feel like science fiction. And as we go deeper into this video, you might begin to realize something unsettling. Maybe the ocean is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. For hundreds of years, sailors told terrifying stories about massive sea creatures with long, powerful tentacles dragging ships into the depths of the ocean. These stories were dismissed as myths, exaggerations, legends told to scare people. But then, in the early 2000s, something changed. For the first time in history, a real giant squid was captured on camera in its natural habitat, and what scientists saw was beyond anything they expected. This creature can grow over 40 feet long. Its eyes can be as large as dinner plates, allowing it to see in near total darkness. But even today, we still don't fully understand how these creatures live, how they hunt, or how many are still out there. Because almost everything we know comes from dead or dying specimens, which means the real behavior of the giant squid might still be hidden somewhere deep below. Now imagine this, a shark that looks like it came straight out of a nightmare. This is the goblin shark. With its long, flat snout and pale, almost ghost-like body, it already looks unnatural. But what makes it truly terrifying is its jaw. Unlike normal sharks, its jaw can suddenly shoot forward to grab prey in an instant, almost like something mechanical. This creature lives deep in the ocean, far away from sunlight, far away from human eyes. And because of that, we know very little about how it actually behaves. It appears without warning, and then, just as quickly, it disappears back into the darkness, as if it was never there at all. During deep-sea expeditions, scientists have recorded something very strange. Creatures that don't seem to have any clear shape, no bones, no defined structure, just floating forms. Some look like living jelly, slowly drifting in the water. Others look like something completely alien, something not from Earth. What's even more confusing is, these blobs don't match any known species, and in many cases, they were only seen once. No second sighting, no further evidence, just a single piece of footage and a mystery that still has no answer. Despite its name, the vampire squid does not actually drink blood, but that doesn't make it any less disturbing. With its dark body, webbed arms, and glowing eyes, it looks like something from a horror film. But what truly makes it unique is where it lives. This creature survives in areas of the ocean with almost no oxygen, places where most life simply cannot exist. And yet, it thrives. It has adapted to conditions we once believed were impossible. Which raises an important question. How many more creatures are living in environments we still don't understand? Now we go deeper, to the deepest place in the ocean, the Mariana Trench, a place so deep that sunlight has never reached the bottom, a place where pressure is over 1,000 times stronger than at sea level. And yet, Life exists here. Strange fish, glowing organisms, and creatures that seem to break every rule of biology. Some deep-sea missions have even reported seeing unidentified moving shapes, large, slow, and impossible to clearly identify. No confirmation, no explanation. Just something moving in the darkness. So the question remains, what truly lives at the deepest point on Earth? In 1997, scientists recorded a sound deep in the ocean. A sound so powerful, it was louder than any known animal. They called it the bloop. At first, some believed it could be a massive, unknown creature, something larger than anything we've ever discovered. Later, scientists suggested it might have been ice breaking, but not everyone agreed, because even today, similar unexplained sounds are still being detected in the deep ocean. Sounds with no clear source. The ocean is vast, dark, and still largely unexplored. Every year, we discover new creatures, new species, new mysteries, but for every answer we find, even more questions appear. So the next time you look at the ocean, remember this: beneath the surface, in the cold, silent darkness, something could be watching, something we don't understand. And maybe we are not alone in the waters of our own planet.